Good morning, guys. We're here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. We didn't make it to rope drop, but we're here nonetheless. We're still gonna have a great time. So, what are you excited to get on today? Anything?
Goliath, Wonder Woman, all the classics, Twisted. What do you think?
Yeah, Wonder Woman, Twisted for sure. Maybe get a lap on Tatsu. Who knows? So let's see what we get in today. Let's do it.
Construction update. I know they have received some parts in, but they still haven't done anything over here at all. So I'm not sure. Like I mentioned before, 2027 is my prediction. What do you think, Love?
I'm thinking 2027.
Yeah.
I mean, they haven't flat. I don't know what they're gonna do, if they're gonna do the terrain or what, but
yeah,
doesn't look ready for anything right now. That's for sure.
Yep, nothing at all. So, like I said, I know they've received some parts, but other than that, that's it.
All right, guys, we're here by Goliath. That's gonna be our first ride. So hopefully it's running smooth. It usually does.
It's been a minute. We haven't been on it in a minute, actually.
Yeah, we haven't been on it, and since the last couple times we got here, we haven't been on it. The lines have been long, but so either way, let's do it.
Let's do it.
We got a walk on Goliath today.
All 3-7 on Thursday.
Excited for Goliath right now, Liv?
It's been a hot minute, like I said. Hopefully it's running good.
Yeah, hopefully it is. But it's a walk on, so it's always good. So let's do it. David!
I know they are.
Goliath, amazing ride. I always get airtime on it all the time.
First time getting airtime. I'm always stapled. You know, Goliath, I was so scared of it for the longest time, so I still have a tendency to staple myself on it.
Yeah.
The thing is like now we ride so much, Goliath is really tame to me now. It's
Yeah,
just fast, you know, but it was
fast.
cool to get some airtime. So that brought it up in the rankings a little bit today.
Yeah, I know. I always get airtime. I'm always floating on my seat. I'm a little guy, so I'm always just like, woo! I go everywhere. But anyways, we're going to see what else we get into right now, so let's do it.
Let's do it.
So it doesn't seem too busy here today at Magic Mountain right now, but like Knott's Berry Farm the other day was crazy, huh?
It was insane. I've never seen it like that. We're looking pretty empty here today. We're on the Sunday after Thanksgiving.
Yes.
So not too bad.
Yeah, because we went to Knott's yesterday day before yesterday, Friday, and it was super busy, crazy.
I've never seen it like that ever.
Yeah. So, but here it looks really like light today. So hopefully that kind of gives us a perspective of what our day is. So let's go ahead and ride these roller coasters. Let's do it.
We got Christmas stuff right here. Look at it. Not as crazy as obviously like Knott's Berry Farm, but they got a few little things. I'm sure these things light up at night. They got the little Christmas tree right here. You can see. We'll check out some of the merch right here too after and see what they have.
Alright guys, just got off Wonder Woman, running amazing today.
Amazing.
Super super fast. I was floaty all over the place. I've been floating all day today so far. So hopefully we keep it that way.
Floaty day.
It's a floaty
The
day.
laterals on that thing. I mean, Wonder Woman's my favorite, I think, in the park, honestly. I love that ride. The drop's insane. I'm out of my seat the whole time. Thumbs up for Wonder Woman.
Oh yeah, amazing ride. I love it. Again, like it's probably like my number 3, so in the park depending, but that was an amazing ride.
It was a good one.
So right
Maybe
now
we'll rank a little later when we start getting some rides in.
Yeah, for sure. So right now we're gonna go ahead and hit up Batman. So let's do it.
Let's do it.
Another walk-on on Batman. It's not that, look it, it's empty. Yeah.
For guests joining us on Batman the Ride, please fill up empty rows.
Yeah.
I just got off the Batman. Again, running amazing today.
Super whippy. Yeah, it's all good today.
Yeah, always whippy and it's a little bit intense today. You know, a lot of people say they're intense, but I never really felt it. But today I did feel that little intensity today
it
for
was
sure.
running faster today for sure. I was really stapled today. I'm a bigger girl, so the restraints are a little tight on me.
Yeah.
But I was definitely stapled today, but I could still definitely feel the intense. It was really fast today. It was a good ride.
Good ride. So we're gonna head up to the other side by Twisted Closets and Scream. So let's do it.
Look it, they got a little sleigh. Look how cute. Look at that. It lights up at night too, has the little lights on it. Super cute.
in the park.
Yeah, cool.
Before Christmas stuff.
Oh yeah, 1,000,000%. Super cute. All right guys, time for some Twisted, so let's do it.
Got a ride on Twisted, running really good too. Just all the rides are running really good too.
Just missed the duel.
Just missed it. Almost got it, but they were just a tad, maybe like 2 seconds slower than us. Yeah, too slow.
We smacked them. We literally smashed them.
Yeah, we
killed them.
Beat them. There was no duel there.
Super smooth though, really good.
Yeah.
It's Twisted, you know? How can you not love it? It's really good.
My number 1 probably in this park, but had an amazing time. So now it's Scream. So let's do it. Guys, we just got off Scream and it was real super rattly
today.
It really was.
Yeah.
We normally ride it in the back row, and I was thanking God we were not on the back row this time because it was so rattly.
Yeah.
I still love Scream.
Yeah, well, I love Scream too. It's underrated for sure. We got a front row ride, but again, still super rattly today. But other than that, I still like it. I love it. Yeah.
Still a good ride.
Yeah, so we're gonna head up over here to West Coast. Hopefully it's open. Loud Scream. But yeah, so let's do it.
Let's do it.
Look at it. Not that much going on today. Look at no wait, 5 minutes. Twisted 10. It's going super slow right now, but yeah. Viper, no wait. West Coast 20. Yeah, it's open. Look. Alright, so let's do it. Taking a quick detour to Riddler's Revenge. And then we forgot about Gold Rusher, so we got to hit up Gold Rusher too. So, yeah. Let's do it. Guys, we just got off Riddler's. I love Riddler's Revenge. I'm never going to talk bad about Riddler's, but let's see what she says.
Riddler's wins the pinball champion of the world. I'll never not pinball. There was a super cool part this time though, because I was standing right, I floated up in the air, and I was like, oh, this is great. It doesn't make up for the rest of the time I pinball in my head. No, it's not for me.
No, I get the pinball stuff. But yeah, either way, now we're going to hit up Gold Rusher, and so let's do it.
Hey guys, just wanted to stop by and say like
And subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Gold Rusher on our way over here to West Coast though. But Gold Rusher went a little fast today.
It was fast today.
It was. I didn't get injured again, so we're safe there.
Now she almost cut her leg off. That's the story now.
Yeah, I almost got my leg cut off. But a couple times ago when we rode it, but I'm good.
Very dangerous.
But it was fun. We had a fun time today. We got a good little pop air time at that little bump there.
Love it.
So, but I had a great time. So we're gonna go over here and hit up some West Coast. So
let's do it.
So we got bad luck. So West Coast racers went down, but it is what it is. I think we're gonna go get something to eat right now, and then probably hit up Full Throttle after. So
sounds good. Let's do it.
Look at they got some Hanukkah stuff here. Happy Hanukkah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Look how cute.
I love that. It's holiday in the park, not just Christmas. I love it.
Exactly. This is our lunch for today. It's at the Mac and Spuds right there by the Full Throttle. Looks pretty tasty. Alright, let's dig in. Alright guys, just had lunch. It was super good.
It was really good. What was it called? Screamin' Spuds or Mac and Spuds? Something like that, but it was really good.
Yeah, it was super good. I enjoyed it. It was like pulled pork, mac and cheese, bomb. Yep. So we're gonna go over here and hit up Full Throttle. So let's do it. Alright guys, just got off Full Throttle. It was running really good today, but you know that brake run right over the loop, I don't like it. Then I started choking. I started
So
choking.
now we've almost cut off her leg, and she started choking.
I started choking because I went.
I actually got worried though. It wasn't funny then, but it's funny now.
I went down and I was like, yeah, and then and then I was like, oh my god, Full Throttle almost killed me. But it was fun. I enjoyed it. It was a fun ride. But what was your favorite 3 rides today, love?
I'm gonna go Wonder Woman number 1, Shocker Twisted number 2. That's never that high for me. And then Full Throttle number 3.
Yeah, so for me, it's gonna be number 1. It's gonna be Twisted. Number 2 is gonna be Wonder Woman. Number 3 is gonna Full Throttle, even though it almost murdered me. So yeah, but yeah, it's getting really cold out right now.
She's freezing.
I'm cold, so we're gonna call it a day today. But I had a blast today. I had so much fun. You know, they have the holiday in the park going already, but we're gonna make another video of that and come at night and do the whole little thing, you know, with the lights and the hot chocolate and all the good stuff. Because they got like little fire pits and stuff, so it's gonna be really cool.
It looks cool. It looks really good.
So we're gonna enjoy ourselves and we're gonna make another video of that. But today I had a great time, and again, I couldn't be more thankful for, you know, the life we get to live today. You know, like on Thanksgiving, you got to spend it with our family. It was so much fun, and you know, it was the first Thanksgiving that we actually got to spend with our family. You know, since being out of addiction and, you know, finding recovery. So it was it was amazing. It was amazing.
It's almost unreal. It doesn't feel real yet, even though we're so far into it at this point. There's so many things to be thankful for, and the holidays feel so different when you have so much to be thankful for. And every day we choose it. We choose recovery first above all. And because we choose that first, we get to do so much other good stuff, like all of this. We woke up today and just said, let's go.
Yeah.
And that's the life we get to live now.
Yeah.
But the best part is that we're good people, and it reflects in our lives. You know, we're trusted by our families. They want us around. We get to spend these holidays with them. We get to spend them together. Our marriage is as solid as it's ever been. That's recovery. And you know, if you're struggling, get help. Reach out. No matter what you're struggling with, reach out, get some help. But we're glad to share our story with you, and thanks for following along.
Exactly. You know, thank you guys so much. Like I said, you know, we only have a few followers so far. I think I hit 200. You know, which is crazy. You know, but you know, I'm having a great time putting these videos out. And like I said, I just want to put the word out and to show, you know, other addicts, those who are still struggling, or those who are in recovery, that, you know, there is a life after addiction. So
you can do it.
You can do it. So, you know, as always, guys, it's the thrills without the pills.